If 1,000 people visit your sales page, how many purchases do you count? If you know the answer to this question, you know your sales conversion rate for that page. The sales conversion rate is the number of sales divided by the number of sales page visitors. Important: cost per 1,000 visitors. You might get these 1,000 visitors by paying somebody like Google or Facebook to send people to your sales page, or you might use your own time and effort to attract visitors. Let's assume you get 1,000 visitors at an average of 20 cents per visitor, or you have to spend 8 hours of your working time to get those visitors. At an hourly rate of $25 for your working time, the price for 1,000 visitors is in both cases $200. This is a fairly optimistic assumption. The math behind the sales conversion rate. I have here prepared a row of examples demonstrating the relationship between conversion rate and gross profits. The first example is a conversion rate of 1%. The assumed average of value per sale is $20. For 1,000 visitors you get 10 sales, each $20 is $200. The cost for the traffic is also $200, so gross profit is 0. Gross revenue per visitor is 20 cents. Now with 2% conversion and still $20 per sale, you get $400 from 1,000 visitors. Cost of traffic $200, gross profit now $200, gross revenue 40 cents. With a 3% conversion rate and a value still of $20 per sale, you get $600 from 1,000 visitors, cost of traffic $200, gross profit $400, gross revenue per visitor is 60 cents. With 40 sales per 1,000 visitors, this is a 4% conversion rate, and still we assume a value of $20 per sale. You get $800 from 1,000 visitors, cost of traffic still $200, gross profit $600, gross revenue per visitor is 80 cents. This graph displays the relationship between the sales conversion rate and gross profits per 1,000 visitors for different conversion rates and product prices of $10 and $20. The graph assumes a low price of $200 per 1,000 visitors. It is easy to see that low conversion rates will break projects, while high conversion rates will generate nice profits. The magic of revenue per visitor. Revenue per visitor grows with the conversion rate, and this aspect has important implications. If you get 20 cents in average from each visitor of your sales page, you might spend 10 or 15 cents to bring one in. If you use paid traffic, this can severely limit the number and quality of visitors you get. If you rely on affiliates for traffic, it is the same. The most powerful affiliates take care to promote products with high revenue per visitor. Thus, a high conversion rate provides not only more profit per visitor, it will also help to get more qualified visitors to your page. A high conversion rate means thus for you more money from more people. Price and conversion rate. In most cases, but not always, a higher price will reduce the conversion rate. But the higher price also increases the revenue for each conversion. For a high reading of revenue per visitor, we need the right balance between price and conversion rate. It is essential to find the right price point fitting the product and your sales copy. To find the optimal price point, providing the highest gross profit per visitor, takes quite a bit of testing prices and tweaking the sales copy. I will discuss the relationship between product prices, sales copy, quality of visitors, conversion rate, and profitability in an upcoming presentation. Slides and invitation for next presentation. I know that it's hard to follow this presentation and to crunch the numbers on the run. So I thought it would be helpful for people with real interest into the topic to gain access to the slides of this presentation. For this reason, I am willing to send you the slides as a PDF file with email. If you leave me your email address, you will receive the slides of this presentation and a special invitation as soon as the upcoming presentation about profitability is ready. Do not wait. Fill now the form below and grab your slides plus access to the upcoming profitability presentation.